Here's a quick guide on how to use Google Meet on your iPad. If you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the first step is to have it downloaded from the App Store. You open up the App Store, look up the Google Meet, and you need to install the latest version of the app. Now, once you get inside, you have essentially two options. You can use it with or without the account. So if you use it without an account, it's going to work like this, that you have the ability to join meetings, but you click on the button to join, but you need to have the code or a link available. So you have to just type the code in and you can just proceed and join a link. You might be wondering like where you get the code or what the code actually is, but basically every Google Meet meeting is indicated by the 9-digit code, or even more, depends on, right? But you can see that every meeting has its distinct code. So if somebody comes up with a meeting, some of your friends or a company or whatever, they are supposed to share the link with you, or even at least like the code, right? Which you can paste into this and you can join that meeting. However, if you ask me personally, I think it's much better to actually use a Google account for this. So you actually are going to sign in with your existing Google account, and then you're going to see that you have the history of your calls here, or you can come up with your own meetings by clicking the plus button. The link I mentioned before, I can actually create one myself right now with an account, right? And yeah, that's exactly how it would work, right? So I can actually share the links with other people. But yeah, if you have the link available, you can just click on it. You're going to click on a join, and this interface is going to be familiar very soon. Like you can control the camera, the microphone, you can share your screen, you can raise your hand, and you are now basically on a video call through the Google Meet app. So I really hope that I could help you out with it. I just quickly wanted to explain like the basic functionality of this, but I have so many other tutorials which go way in a depth about it, so you can check out those and subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming ones as well. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.